1.5 years ago, she started experiencing sharp pain that just comes and goes. And it's right aquí? Right here?
Yes,
okay. So she already went to other medical doctors, health professionals, so on and so forth. There is a lot, they mentioned a lot of arthritis on there and they can't really do much about it. So we're gonna take a look, see what we can do for you. I'm gonna show you two x-rays over here. Your x-ray is over here. Right? Just to show you an example, this is the other patient. Well, we actually did a video on 2 years ago. This is a restaurant worker who had a lot of arthritis in her ankle. And you happen to have the same type of arthritis at the same joint, right? At the talus and the navicular, between these two. Now her arthritis is localized and stays right there. And it doesn't stick out as much. What we want to see is just straight line. You see this sticks out a little bit. What we see over here, see how much it really sticks out, right?
Okay.
So that tells us, yeah, this joint itself over here, it just did not have proper nerve function. That's why it didn't take much trauma, knocked this out of alignment and just kept them breaking down. In essence, it just rusted in place. Got apart. Keep in mind, this is very arthritic. So I'm gonna get a little more. There we go. So, how's the ankle now? What's different?
Sí, siento mejor. Cuando di primeros pasos estaba así de dolorido.
The first step she feel like pain and nervous, but now she feel better.
Ya voy, cuando doy más pasos, como que ya
She
siento
walking more and
mejor.
she feel better.
Just let it go. There it is.
Oh,
Now we got it.
conforme voy pasando los pasos me va quitando ya el dolor.
At the beginning, she feel a little pain, but still walking, the pain goes.
That's understandable, because
Yeah,
that's a lot of damage in that joint there.
No.
Just let it breathe. Good. Walk around.
Camina.
Sí, un poco me quito esa sensibilidad.
Now she feel stronger because when she came, it was like sensitive, but now it's...
Siento como más.
How's the foot these days?
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
How's the inflammation?
It's yeah, not too much pain.
Not too much pain in the foot?
Yeah.
Hey, that's a great sign. Let's have you walk around. Let's see how you're doing. Okay, walk back. There. That looks a
It's
big
very
difference.
good.
Yeah, it's very great. Hey, that's great to hear. All right, so, but keep in mind, this thing is still degenerating, right? We still need some time. I do recommend regular maintenance. Let's make sure to get that joint, get it a lot more functional over time.